Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a clickable link to your TikTok profile. This will allow people to open a link that you put on your TikTok profile. So let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your device and navigate to your profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button to make changes to your profile. In the Social Links section, tap on either Instagram or YouTube, depending on the link you want to add. For example, if you want to add your Instagram profile, tap on Add Instagram. TikTok will redirect you to the login page for the selected social platform. Enter your username and password for that platform and tap on Allow to grant TikTok access. After successfully linking your social account, TikTok will add a clickable link icon to your profile. Save the changes to update your profile. Go back to your TikTok profile and verify that the clickable link icon for your social account is visible. Now, when viewers visit your TikTok profile, they can click on the link icon to visit your linked social account. That's it! You've successfully added a clickable link to your TikTok profile. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.